What is the greatest possible question you would put to the greatest living mind if you had that person in front of you?
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I have things.
Every student should be collaborating and thinking creatively with their teachers to come up with some universal questions.
Creating a question is what we're looking at here, more than answering a question.
Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. So just
Is the universe a friendly place?
I'm Anna and this is James, and we're from the Saga Club, which, as you may know from our posters around campus, we're the Sexuality and Gender Awareness Club.
This is important because it's not about, whether you're gay or straight or whatever. It's about being an ally. It's for the closeted person out there, your friend or a peer who needs that support. Or it's about, that out friend who also needs that support. It's about, helping anyone who doesn't feel like they're accepted in a school, because for the LGBTQ plus community, that's really something that's not taken for granted.
there is a load that you can bear and you can carry. I'm right off the road. I'll share your load if you just call me.
Less than
Lean
20
on me.
of what we throw away gets recycled, okay? I mean, by the end of the year, we want to raise that number to at least 30, at least 40, but that's still not good enough. As a school that has the knowledge, we should be reaching 60, 80.
Because if the universe is a friendly place, you spend your life building bridges. But if the universe is an unfriendly place, you spend your life building walls. And that's really what the big question is.